In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Bundles. Asana Bundles are a powerful way to standardize how your projects are set up, so your team doesn't have to reinvent the wheel every single time. They allow you to package things like sections, custom fields, rules, and templates, and then quickly apply them to any new project. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access bundles from inside a project and what you need to do if you're prompted to upgrade your plan. First, open Asana and select the project where you want to use bundles. You can choose any existing project in your workspace, but it's usually best to start with a project that you use often, such as a recurring campaign, a client onboarding project, or a standard internal workflow. Make sure you're in the main project view, either list or board, so you can see the top menu bar. Once you're in the project, look to the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click on the option labeled Customize. This button opens up a panel on the right side of your screen. The Customize panel is where you manage project-specific features like fields, rules, forms, and apps. It's also where you'll find the Bundles feature. When the Customize panel is open, scroll through the options until you see Bundles. Go ahead and click on Bundles. This will bring up the Bundles interface, where you can either apply an existing bundle to your project or, depending on your plan, start creating standardized configurations you can reuse across multiple projects. If this is your first time accessing bundles, Asana may prompt you to upgrade your plan. Bundles are typically available on higher tier plans, so if you're on a free or lower level plan, you'll see a message explaining that this feature requires an upgrade. Take a moment to review what's included with the available plans and decide whether it makes sense for your team. If you're working within a company account, you may need to coordinate with whoever manages your subscriptions before proceeding. Once you've decided to upgrade, simply follow the on-screen prompts that Asana provides. These will